Hi everyone, welcome to the next video of A plus calculus. And in this video we're gonna do a problem on parallelogram rule. We are gonna use the parallelogram rule to find out the sum of z plus w in the complex plane. Okay, so I have explained the parallelogram rule or parallelogram law in detail in the previous video, in which I am explaining how to add two complex numbers in complex plane. And the parallelogram rule is the rule that we use to add two complex numbers graphically or in the complex plane. So if you need to kind of revise the parallelogram rule, then you can watch the previous video by clicking on the I button above, and I've also pasted the link of that video in the description box. So let's get started, everybody. Okay, so here we have two complex numbers w and z. They are plotted on the complex plane. So let's just quickly recall what was parallelogram rule. It says that if you want to add two complex numbers in the complex plane, first what you'll do is just take your origin and connect this origin with the two complex numbers. So I'm going to connect the origin with w, and then I'm going to connect the origin with z. Okay, so here I can see then I have to complete a parallelogram. Okay, so a parallelogram, we know that it has four vertices. Okay, so out of those four vertices I have got three of my vertices. Okay, so one is the origin, and second is the w, and third is the z. Now I need to find out the fourth vertex. So what I'm gonna do is I will complete this parallelogram. I'm gonna complete it. Okay, and then next line like this. Then you need to create a diagonal. Okay, diagonal. Now your sum of w plus z, your w plus z will be represented by the diagonal. Which diagonal? The diagonal connecting from the origin. Okay, so take origin. Okay, so this is the diagonal, and this point is your w plus z, and this point has the coordinates this is the complex number -9i. Okay, so now if you want to verify your answer, you can do that as well. So we had w was -5 minus I, and the z was 5 minus 8i. Okay, so if you add them algebraically, you're gonna get w plus z is equal to -5 plus 5 is a 0, and -I plus -8i is gonna be -9i, and that's what we got.